Hi everyone, and here I am, Babsworthy, point number 11 on the Voices of Freedom Black History walking tour. And here we are at the St. Andrew's Presbyterian Church and the site of the first schoolhouse here in town for black children. And there's the plaque. Now, the Presbyterians formed their congregation here in 1874, and 1 year later they built a church on that site. And in 1802, they built the schoolhouse and invited black families to have their own schoolroom in the upstairs. During the War of 1812, the church was burned to the ground, as was the rest of the town. But miraculously, the schoolhouse survived. And apparently it was quite a rowdy, noisy schoolhouse. Herbert Holmes was their teacher. Although he was strict, he played lots of games and drills, and he was often seen marching the kids around town. So well respected. He apparently got his education in Nova Scotia. And there are comments about, which we would find uncomfortable today, about the tone, the colour of his skin, so we think he was probably biracial. He was also courageous. Solomon Mosby was in jail here. Solomon Mosby was a Kentucky refugee who'd escaped and made his way safely to Canada, and then his former enslaver had charged him with horse theft. So the authorities here put him in jail and he was facing extradition. Herbert Holmes, brave man that he was very instrumental in forming the petition fighting this and a protest. And on the day of the day when Mosby was being taken out of the jail, there was a large protest and it turned into a riot, the Mosby riot. And Mosby escaped. Our teacher was shot dead. The town lost their school teacher. Herbert Holmes is buried in what's now called the Negro burial ground, and that's where I'm heading next. See you there.